Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Earnings Empowered by AI. Today we have got something special for all you aspiring designers and business owners out there. We are talking about the face of your brand, the symbol that speaks volumes, your logo. Stick around because by the end of this video you will know how to create a killer logo without breaking the bank. Creating the ideal logo can be extremely difficult. It requires hours of dedication, a creative vision, and complex design skills. But do not worry, it's easier than ever to design a logo. Thanks to the wonders of technology, designing a logo has never been more accessible. And today, we are unveiling an online tool that's a game changer in the world of logo design. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. Introducing DesignHill, your go to hub for AI powered design tools. Whether it's logos, business cards, website, or app user interfaces, DesignHill has you covered. For today, I will focus on the Logo Maker tool. It's simple, efficient, and takes the hassle out of the design process. Let's start by selecting the AI logo generator. Now enter your company name. In my case, it's Earnings Empowered by AI. Click on Create My Logo and you will be presented with some logo design samples. Don't worry too much about colors for now. Focus on the aesthetic and how it's set up and just where the text is, the fonts, and stuff like that. Select up to 5 samples or skip this step as your choice. Next up, it's time to set the tone with colors. If you have a color scheme in mind, you can go ahead and pick that color. But if you are not sure about color tone, then let the system choose. DesignHill make it easy. Okay, hit the continue button. Now tell the tool a bit about your company name. In my case, I will keep it as Earnings Empowered by AI. Then if you want to add the company slogan, you can do it. I will enter adopting the future. After that, select the industry of your company. I will select technology. After doing that, enter your budget and company size. These details will shape your logo's personality. After all is set, hit the continue button. Symbols are the spice of a logo, right? DesignHill lets you choose up to 5 symbols. You can let the system pick based on keywords or search for specific symbols. It's like a treasure hunt for the perfect visual representation of your brand. Such as I am entering AI, tech, brain, robot, and computer. If you want to pick your own symbols, you can do it by clicking here. After coming to the symbols picker page, come to the search bar and search for desired symbols. For example, I will search for robot. You will find a vast number of symbols related to robot. Select your preferred one. If you want to add some different niche symbol, you can search again this time. I will search again for a technology symbol and you can see the technology symbols. I will select this one, the continue button from here. It will make it count. These symbols will be part of your logo's identity. Now the magic happens. DesignHill generates a plethora of logos for you. Each one unique, reflecting the elements you choose. Take your time, browse through them, and find the one that resonates with you the most. After all, this is about representing your brand. Well, I will go with this one. When you have discovered the one, it's time to claim it as your own. But before that, you have to sign up with your Facebook ID or with your Google account. Or you can simply sign up with your email. I will go with my Google account. After sign up, everything can be customized using DesignHill's editor, including the company name, slogan, and symbol. You should experiment with fonts, colors, and sizes until your logo shouts you. Here is where your brand really starts to shine. Now proceed to the tool panel on the left. You can preview your logo here first if you would like to customize it. There are numerous mockups of the logo appearing on various goods, signs, and other items. In order to see what that would look like, you can scroll through. Then comes the option for a name. You can alter the font size, color, and other aspects of the company name here. Click change from here to alter the font. I am going to go with the futuristic font. This place has a ton of font variations. They are all looking fantastic. Decide which one is your favorite. This is the one I will choose. You can then alter the text color after that. Navigate to the color tab and pick a color pattern. You can select a different color if you don't like this one. Pick one of the variations once you are happy with the color. This is where you can adjust the text size. Adjust the size by going up or down after you have reached the settings. I will hold it at 60. You have the ability to alter the distance between each letter in your company name. Let's make it 5 now. Once the name customization is complete, proceed to the slogan from the left panel. We will now alter the tagline. The slogan text, font, color, size, and other elements are all modifiable. Let's try using a sans serif font. It appears quite clear and cool now. This is the one I will choose. Additionally, by clicking one of these buttons, you can change it from lowercase to uppercase. Alright, adjust the size now. Subsequently, the distance between the slogan and the name can be altered. I will close a gap. You can alter the letter space value similarly to the name, but I will set it to 0. Okay, so you can personalize the symbol after customizing the slogan. There are a ton of different symbol variations available here. I will not alter the symbol this time, but you are free to select from the list. Additionally, visit the monogram tab if you would prefer a monogram to a symbol. DesignHill then produced an enormous amount of monogram variations for you. One of them is yours to choose. I am returning because I am content with my symbol and I am not a fan of monograms. You can now include an inner container. Go to the tab for inner container. From this point on, the symbol will be transformed into a shape or frame. There are a tons of different inner container options available here. Choose one of them if you prefer to choose an inner container. The outer container comes next. It will combine the name, slogan, and symbol to form a shape or frame. The outer container comes in different forms. To add one, simply choose the variant. Well, I don't like the container, so I will not choose inner container nor outer container. Now you can change the background if you want to choose the outer container. Navigate to the tab for the background. You can adjust the background color from this point on. This place has an amazing array of colors. Select your favorite colors. Pattern is another option. Navigate to the Patterns tab. Next, decide which pattern is your favorite. Right now, I am going to use any patterns. You can adjust the color palette from this page if you are not happy with it. I have no desire to alter the color scheme. I will carry on as usual. Alright, so you can now modify the layout of your logo. Using the Layout tab, you can choose from a plethora of different layout options here. Simply choose the layout that works best for you if you want to change it. The possibilities are endless and it's all about making your logo as unique as your brand. Now that your logo is looking sharp, it's time to download it. To do this, hit the buy button. You will see a preview of your logo. Scroll down to go to the pricing list. This is the final step. Basically, you just select whatever package you want and you get the basic, premium or enterprise. The premium is probably the best because you get a lot of stuff ready to go. You will get vectors, EPS, PDF, PNG and SVG files, transparent background, and it will be print ready. You have to pay just 1499 Indian rupees or $18. In the basic package, you have to pay 500 Indian rupees or $6 and you will get only the basic resolution logo file. And in the enterprise, you will get more advantages in just 3699 Indian rupees or $45. So choose a package that suits your needs, basic, premium or enterprise. You can also buy some add-ons from here. You can create business card designs, t-shirt designs, social media kits, animated logos, digital business cards, and many more. Let's download the sample file to see what it provides to us. And there you have it. Friends, your journey to a stunning logo is complete. Download the files, unzip them, and explore the variety of formats provided. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fantastic content, and share your logo creation experience in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy creating, and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.